What's going on, subscribers? Welcome to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of the JBL Flip 4. This is a wireless portable Bluetooth speaker that you can buy on Amazon. It's one of the most popular speakers available right now on Amazon. It costs about $80 to $90. Go ahead and check for the current price right now, but it fluctuates between that price. Today's unboxing will be on the teal color. They have teal, they have red, blue, white, and black. I picked the teal because it looks like turquoise, so that's my favorite color. So we're gonna do an unboxing of it today. This is one of the most highly rated portable speakers on Amazon. So I wanted to check it out and do a video so that all of you can see if this is the ideal speaker for you. I have been using this speaker for about 1 month now. I mainly use it in my car and it actually works really well. I love the sound. It is very crystal clear. I love the bass. It definitely has a very good bass on it, so I really enjoy that. It's definitely a great speaker for the price. For $90–$80 you're buying a high quality portable speaker. And one of the features that it has is wireless Bluetooth streaming. You can connect up to 2 smartphones or tablets to the portable speaker, and basically anytime you want to play a video or play a song on any of those 2 phones, you can have both devices connected at the same time. So it's a really cool feature that I enjoy. The battery lasts about 12 hours of playtime, so it lasts a very long time. I definitely don't charge it every day, maybe just once a week. That's how often I charge it. Apparently this is waterproof. I don't really want to try it, but apparently you can submerge the Flip 4 in water and nothing's gonna happen to it. That's a really cool feature that I like. I don't know if I'll ever try it out, but they also have this feature called Jbl Connect Plus. Basically, if you have more than one of these speakers, you can connect them together and all of them will play the same song. So it already sounds super loud and crystal clear just with one. So imagine if you had 2 of these, how loud the music will be that you're playing. I can't even imagine it, but you can connect up to 100 JBLs, and it's called Jbl Connect Plus. To basically, if you want to have a party, that's basically the type of sound you would expect, because it's going to be super loud. I love the packaging. They did a great job packaging this. I love the colors. They're all vibrant. The cable is orange for the teal one. It might depend on whichever color you choose. The JBL Flip 4 can also act as a speakerphone. So if you're ever on a call, you can actually use the JBL to capture your voice. So it's really cool because not only is it a portable speaker, but you can actually talk and it'll recognize the audio and play it on your phone. So you never have to worry about having to change to headphones with a mic. It has everything in one package, so that's a really cool feature. It also has voice assistant integration, so you can access Siri or Google Now from your JBL speaker once you connect it to your phone. And you just have to press a button on the speaker. Yeah, I love the feel of this speaker. It has like a very interesting texture that I absolutely love. It has a JBL bass radiator, that's what they call it. It's extremely good. The bass sounds really loud, and you can even hear my car shake whenever I play a song that has bass. So yeah, I love it so far. The only complaint I have is that I did see that it has some sort of like material that California has banned because it can cause cancer. That's the only concern that I have. I try not to touch the speaker that much or wash my hands right after, but it's mainly in my car, so I don't have to worry about that too much. But that's the only bad thing. I would have liked to know that it had that material, because I know usually when I go to stores, if I see that it has a tag where it says that it has some sort of chemical that might be banned in California because of some sort of cancer issue or harmful defects. So I would just stay away from that stuff. I don't know how you're going to be using this if you do decide to get it, But other than that, it's a great speaker. I love using it, and it sounds really good so far. I'm not sure which speaker I'll get next, once I get tired of this one or once it stops working. But yeah, I would highly recommend. Out of 5 stars, I would say 4 out of 5. I just don't like that it has that material, but it's your decision. So yeah, it's on Amazon if you're interested. I'll leave a link down below. Take care. Like this video, subscribe, and comment down below.